I'm trying to make my dog yawn. Okay, Koa. Koa. Oh my god. Oh, I want to die right now. 3:55. And I have to join rounds. Oh my god. Rise and grind.
I love that sound.
Rise and grind. The reason why I'm awake at 4 o'clock is because I have rounds. Pediatric intensive care. Rise and grind. Rise and grind. Rounds start at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I'm on the West Coast right now. Hence, I have to wake up at 4. So there's 2 parts. Then I gotta wake up at 6 o'clock to where we do rounds with the attending. Oh my god. Oh my god, stop.
Hi, good morning guys. We're going to start signing out right now. Can you guys hear us?
So, it's 5:40. I woke up 20 minutes earlier because I have to look up how blood, urea, and nitrogen is made. Like BUN, you know, BUN, whatever. Okay, rise and grind. I think I found it. So, Jesus Christ. So, I'm gonna keep looking this up and then we'll get back to it.
Sodium is 131. High, low, normal. Anybody?
Low.
Low. Okay. CO2 17. Why is that one low?
Maybe because of the,
Because of what?
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm playing with BUL.
The mouth, if anybody wants to help with the mouth, amylase.
They just tofu, you chew, and there is amylase. Okay, you did good on that one.
Which too?
It's going to go lower. What happens in the stomach?
So then it starts mixing with the gastric acid.
Okay, it starts secreting something.
Pepsin.
Exactly. That's.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't tell me you don't have a picture of it somewhere already on Google pulled up and come on.
Oh.
Okay.
And then that nitrogen group turns into ammonia.
It underwent which process?
Oh, jeez. Oxidative deamination. There you go. Yeah. So that's how a lot of the pimping would go, basically. And that's a very light form of it because he was so nice about it too. You know, he would make jokes. That really makes the learning process a lot easier and a lot less stressful. Yeah, I've never met the guy in person, but just seems like a really nice guy. It took us 1 hour just to go through the chart of one patient. You know, he kept taking frequent breaks to keep us engaged. That really is the best you could do with these weird circumstances of doing this online. Yeah, but nice guy. He gave us a lot of chances and was being very patient with us. So this next part is actually gonna be lecture. 2-hour lecture on developmental milestones in pediatric patients, or just in peds. So pediatric developmental milestones, you get it.
He can't grow this way. Coronal is closed off, so he can't go this way. We say that, you know, you have to go back to sleep, but it's flattened on one side. So if you've taken this box, does that. But rather not, but yes or no? Not really. All right.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
Let's see.
Jeez Louise. Jeez. I'm gonna try to make, I was yawning the whole time during the lecture, so I'm gonna try to make my dog yawn. You know how yawns are contagious? Like even thinking about it, you're probably gonna be yawning right now. Okay, Koa. Koa. Ah, baby! Ah! Yes! Good boy! Good boy! I gotta watch that back. Good boy. Let's try it one more time. One more time. Koa. 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 I'm sticking my tongue out because that's how he does it. Koa. Koa, look at me. Yeah! Oh god, your breast stinks. I make a scientific discovery and you get mad at me for yelling?
What was the scientific description?
I wanted to know if dogs could recognize when I yawned. So I yawned in front of Koa, and then Koa yawned at the same time. What?
That's like Pavlov did this thing,
Yeah.
man, like 100 years ago.
No, he didn't.
500 years ago.
Couldn't think of that.
Okay, when that thing should get the thing, man, bring it up. Don't even drink it.
Do you want me to add more tea leaves to it? This is Koa's mom. What? Good boy. Go. So some good news. I just recently wrote a literature review on obesity and the effects it has on brain development and behavioral health in child and adolescent populations. So I learned a lot doing it, and I think I'll make the next video about how to write a literature review. It's almost 3 o'clock. I have the rest of the day to myself. I'm going to try and break that up between doing some U-World questions and reading Step Up to Medicine. I actually wanted to take the time out to thank you. Recently I was questioning, what is the purpose of my channel? And I pondered and pontificated upon that. I don't know, I just felt there was no need for the types of videos I publish just because there are so many videos that were popping up from so many different other medical students, and that's honestly great. I think what I learned now is the more the better. One thing that helped me realize like, oh no, this is important, when I would get like an email or a message. One email from a person a few weeks ago that was like, hey, my first term was so much easier because I felt a little more prepared because of the video. So that will give me fuel for like the next 5 years. Kind of reaffirmed why I was making these videos in the first place. Gave me hope again. You have realigned my compass. You have trimmed my hedges so I could see the mountains. You did that for me. You trimmed my hedges. So this is the best I could do right now. I got U-World right here. These are all the questions I've been getting wrong. All right, I have 7 more questions to finish off this block. All right, my people, I think I'm done recording for the day. I'm just gonna try and study. I'm not really good at playing with the camera, setting it up and studying at the same time. So I'm just gonna do that so I'm not distracted. Stay safe, subscribe to stay close. Yeah, thank you for your support. Appreciate it. As you were. I didn't just salute, I swear. It was a wave, it wasn't a salute. As you were. All right.